Okay, this experiment we're looking at how to find the empirical formula for magnesium oxide. In order to do this, we're going to carry out this chemical reaction. So we're going to get our magnesium and we're going to get magnesium to react with oxygen to make the magnesium oxide. In terms of measurements that we need to do, well, we get our magnesium and we put it inside our crucible. And then before we start to heat this, we find the mass of the magnesium inside the crucible at the beginning. We then start to heat the magnesium, so we have a Bunsen burner underneath here and we start to heat it quite strongly, and that's to help the magnesium to react. And as it starts to react, we're going to have to lift the lid in order to get the oxygen, more oxygen to come back in, to help the magnesium to react fully. And you keep repeating that process. So you heat it up, you keep heating it, you lift the lid, and you're going to let the oxygen in and you're going to let the magnesium react. And you keep doing that until all the magnesium has actually reacted. Now, it's quite hard to tell when that is. The best way to do it would be to take the crucible, put it back onto your balance to find its mass, and then carry on heating it. If it's reacted fully, the mass will stay the same. The mass will no longer change. If the mass has changed, you carry on heating. And you keep heating it and keep checking the mass until the mass stays the same. And then you know all the magnesium has reacted with the oxygen to make magnesium oxide. And that's how you get your masses in order to calculate your empirical formula.